Imagine waking up to more greenery than concrete. Now that's the kind of lifestyle Godrej Properties is bringing up to Bannerghatta. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Godrej Vanantara. And right now we are here on the actual land parcel of the project. So I'm standing on the main entrance. This will be the main entrance of our project. Once you enter, the land parcel starts from here and goes up to 36 acres. And the marketing office is ready inside over here where you can have a look at the model flat, the 3D model, all which is ready just for you. And now in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. Now before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. Godrej Vanantara is spread across 36 acres of massive land. So basically it's a township project with 14 towers in all, each tower of 2 basement ground plus 32 and 30 floors, offering you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium homes. Additionally, this project offers you 89% of open space. You get 85% of Vastu in this project. So it's perfect for all age group. Now about the location part, and our project is located near Bannerghatta Road in Bannerghatta South, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing on the main entrance. And this is the Dine Palya Road. So this road on the left hand side will take you towards Bannerghatta Road and the opposite side road will connect you towards CK Palya. Now we'll be discussing about the further connectivity part. So Bannerghatta Road is 1 kilometer away from the project. Nice Ring Road is 1.5 kilometers away. And Orchids International School that is just 800 meters away from our project. Discussing about the amenities part, and this project offers you 100 plus world-class amenities like of 65,000 square feet of grand clubhouse. You get 2 lakes inside the project itself, pets park, swimming pool with deck, kids play area, barbecue zone and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area and pricing. So your 2 BHK starts from 1200 square feet to 1288 square feet super built-up area. 3 BHK Lux is 1650 to 1700 square feet super built-up area. 3 BHK Premier of 1900 to 2025 square feet super built-up area. And 4.5 BHK is 2900 square feet super built-up area. Now about the pricing, where 2 BHK starts from 1.57 CR onwards. 3 BHK Lux is 2.8 CR onwards. 3 BHK Premier is 2.52 CR onwards. And 4.5 BHK is starting from 3.65 CR onwards. The above mentioned prices are of 3rd day of launch. So if you want to pre-avail the prices, inquire now and grab the deal soon. Now discussing about the booking process. So our EOI window, that is the expression of interest window, is open now. We are inviting interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI by submitting non-bankable EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Godrej Properties in Bannerghatta, South Bangalore. If you're looking for more details of the project, you can click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.